And this is a very, very common appliance repair that property owners out there get maintenance requests for, and you can protect against it by having language in your lease. Many of our units offer in-unit washer and dryer. We love the stackable thin twin unit. It's narrow, it doesn't take up a lot of space in the closet, and they're stackable, which makes it often possible to convert what was previously just a regular clothing closet into a laundry closet. So we'll put the stackables in there. Now, every appliance has its own use and weight limits. The thin twin has weight limits on how much weight you can put in the washing machine portion of it, because as you know, it spins, and if it's too heavy and it's loaded with too much weight, it'll spin so much that it'll spin off axis and it'll break. And this is a very, very common appliance repair that property owners out there get maintenance requests for, and you can protect against it by having language in your lease. So you have to have language in your lease that advises the tenant not to go above 10 pounds, for example. The heaviest things are jeans and towels and linens, because they get wet, they're heavy to start with, and when they get wet, they're just gonna kill your washing machine if you overload your washing machine. So have weight limits in your leases. Check your manufacturer's operating manual for what the weight limits are, because every time you buy an appliance, they give you a manual that tells you what the weight limits are. Duplicate the weight limits into your lease language and put tenants on notice not to go over the weight limit. Because when they call you and say, hey, my washing machine broke, and you go there and you see there's 28 pounds of jeans and towels in the washing machine, you know, they were on notice not to do that, and it's a $350 repair.